Hi everyone, this is VK. Welcome to Smid World. Here I am with another video. In this video, I wanna show Aerzen compressor model number V85 overhauling peaks stepwise. Before going to start the work, just confirm whether we have the spares in hand or not, available or not, and tools and tackles. Make them ready. Compressor to work spot. And make sure that work spot should be dust free and it has good illumination. Remove external fittings like a coupling, cooling fan, oil flow pipes. Use proper tools to remove circlips and Allen bolts. Remove bearings with pullers. If in case it's not possible, then go with cutting set. Remove cover. So after removing the cover, you can see the drive gear system. Remove the gears one by one with the hydraulic pump with the help of hydraulic jack pump. You can see in video how to remove the gears. You can see drive shaft which was removed earlier. You can see in your drawing also. After remove all gears, remove the front part. And remove rotors. Place them at very clean place. Place them in proper way like in picture. This is all tools and space what we required to overhauling: bearings, spacers. Clean the rotor with emery papers and WD-40 or any cleaner. This is a bearing. We are preparing bearings, new bearing with outer spacer. We are fixing lock. We using Loctite 638. You clean the rotor and body. The body and rotor should be dust free. Take all safety precautions while lifting that one. Clean again and again until you do work. Fix external chamber rings and neutral chamber rings and internal chamber rings. Loctite 572. This is bearing seater. Where bearing going to be seat? Fixing it. Fix the all bearings. Outer race ring. Fix the rotors in the body. On the rotors, fix the outer cover, outer body. Fix the outer body with bearings and chamber rings. Then check the axial play. Axial play should be in below 0.03. Like that you can adjust the axial play with the help of chuck nut. This is a ring, special ring to fix on the bearings, to lock the bearings. After fixing, after alignment, check once again the alignment. Axial play, it should be 0.03, and tight the check nut after final alignment, and check the gap between the rotor to rotor. That should be 0.07 to 0.09, below 0.09 you can say. After all completion, clean the cover, put the gears on the shaft, and fix them with tight spacers and check nut, and put the cover on that.